So here's how to see Snapchat password if you forgot it. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. All you need to do is you have to open your Snapchat app. Once you are there, now here you have to enter your username and then click on the forget password option at the bottom. After that, this prompt will appear. Now here you have to select the method by which you want to receive a verification code to reset your password. Another great way to see your passwords is go to your mobile settings, and here you have to search for the passwords and autofill option. Once you searched for it, now here you have to click on it. After that, it will take you to this interface. Here you have to again click on the passwords and autofill option at the bottom, and once you click on it, now here you have to enable it by clicking on the gear icon. If you enable this feature, now all the apps on your phone will auto save your password. After that, here you have to click on the passwords option to view the password. Then select the app and view its password. So that's how to see Snapchat password.